Greetings everybody, Ken here, and today we're going to be talking about the best smoothie blenders because one of the really great ways to get the most out of your fruits and vegetables is to blend them up into a smoothie and drink them on down. For people on the go or people who just prefer that as their modus operandi for meals, a smoothie blender can be a really nice tool for the kitchen. So today I'll be looking at the top smoothie blenders and break them down by their features and benefits so you can get a better idea which one of these might be a good choice for you based upon your particular situation. And as always, I'll include links to each of these down below so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any of these that you might be interested in. Also, if there are any coupon codes, special deals, discounts, anything like that on any of these, I'll include that in the description as well. So what maketh a good smoothie blender? Well, what are the blades like? How much capacity does it have? What's the motor like? We tested a whole bunch of them, and the best smoothie blender that we came across overall was the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. And Ninja is the name when it comes to smoothie blenders, because with that powerful 1100 watt motor, the large capacity and single serve function, the Ninja earns the top spot on the list very, very easily, because in addition to the high powered motor, it's got 3 speeds, and the countertop blender from Ninja also is a great solution for people torn between the large capacity of a full size blender and the convenience of a personal blender. And by including both a 72-ounce pitcher that can make large batches of smoothies or frozen drinks, as well as 2 16-ounce blender cups with lids that you can use to make single servings to take on the road with you where you go. And with the 6-blade assembly of it, it crushes through ice and other ingredients, no problem. All the parts are dishwasher safe, and the Ninja itself is fairly easy to clean. So if you're just looking for the best smoothie blender overall, then you might want to check out the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. The best personal smoothie blender that we came across was the NutriBullet 12-piece high-speed blender. And if you don't want to give up so much counter space in order to get your smoothie habit going, then you'll probably prefer the compact nature of this personal smoothie blender to the larger size things, because the NutriBullet 12-piece high-speed blender stands out because of its really, really powerful 600 watt motor, which for the size of it is very, very powerful. It's got a convenient size to go along with it, makes it kind of compact. It's easy to use and easy to clean as too. It comes with 2 different blades to chop through different ingredients, 1 tall 24-ounce cup, 2 short cups, 2 resealable lids, and that way you can whip up a smoothie directly into the cup. The machine itself weighs just under 4 pounds, and that makes it lightweight. Cleaning it up, as I said, is a snap. Just rinse the blade with soap and water, toss the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. It also comes with a 1-year limited warranty, so if you're just looking for the best personal smoothie blender, then the NutriBullet 12-piece high-speed blender is likely going to be a good choice for you. The best budget smoothie blender that we came across was the Oster MyBlend 250 watt blender. And if you're looking for a blender that's easy on the pocket, but still capable of making well-blended smoothies, then the Oster MyBlend 2500 watt blender has you covered as the best budget smoothie blender on our list. The Oster blender features a 250 watt motor from the title, uses a sport bottle as the blender cup so you can blend your smoothie directly into the bottle and then take it with you on the go. You simply swap out the blade attachment for the lid and then you're good to go. The plastic bottle holds 20 ounces and has a hook on the lid for added convenience, so you can put it on your backpack or on your belt or on your purse, whatever you have going on. And since it's compact and lightweight, it can also be reused throughout the day as a regular water bottle as well. And while it's really good for doing smoothies, I wouldn't recommend it for hard vegetables and things with seeds like that. It does come with a 3-year satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year limited warranty. So if you're just looking for the best budget smoothie blender out there, then you might want to check out the Oster MyBlend 250 watt blender. Could make a good addition to your kitchen. The best immersion smoothie blender that we came across was the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender. And if your least favorite part of making a smoothie is cleaning it up, then you might want to check out the Breville, because an immersion blender allows you to blend your ingredients directly into any container. So you just drop the wand down into it, press the button, and start moving it around. You get a creamy, rich puree, adds air to it as well. It's got an 8-inch wand so you can reach down into tall containers, blend in large batches as well. It's also good for soups and other things like that, so not just smoothies as well. It comes with a 25-ounce chopping bowl, a 42-ounce blending jug, and a whisk attachment so you can make some really nice eggs with it. It's got 15 different speed settings on the 280 watt motor, and if you're looking for the best immersion smoothie blender, then you might want to check out the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, because it could make a lovely addition to your kitchen. The best portable smoothie blender that we came across was the G-Ting Portable Blender, and if portability is your main game, then this one could be be a top pick for that. It's compact kind of blender that takes convenience to a new level because it's got a USB rechargeable battery, meaning you can charge a blender at home and then make the smoothies wherever the day takes you. If you want to be savvy, make them in your car. You got that power. The portable blender has 6 blades, 150-watt motor, so it's not as powerful as the other larger blenders, but it's still able to crush through small ice cubes and blend smoothies well, and it's much less hassle than the larger alternatives. It does have a 450 milliliter capacity, and like I said, it's very portable and has that USB thing on the back that allows you to be able to charge it up if you decide you want to open up a car smoothie shop. So if you're looking for the best portable smoothie blender, then the G-Ting portable blender is likely going to be a good option for your kitchen or your car or wherever you're going. Make it on the plane too, who knows? So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, feel free to leave a thumbs up because I always appreciate it. You know, a good bit of digital validation feels oh so nice, warm and fuzzy inside, in fact. And just a reminder, I'll include links to each of these products down below so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any of these that you might be interested in. Also, let me know any comments or questions you have, as I always love getting to answer as many of them as I can. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.